What's something people don't know about dropshipping? It's easier with DropHippo. Let's dive in. First things first, install our DropHippo app from the Shopify marketplace. Easy peasy. Next, hit up the Request a Quote section in the app. Give us the deets on your product, countries you ship to, AliExpress links, weekly order averages, the whole shebang. Once we get your info, we'll send you a quote. Like what you see? Let us know, and we'll tag the product and set up automated fulfillment. You can choose to manually pay daily or set up automatic payments with your card. Your call. We process the orders and update tracking numbers, so your customers stay in the loop. Ding! They get a notification, and don't worry, post-order support. We've got your back to help you stay ahead of any customer issues. So what are you waiting for? Give DropHippo a try and watch your business soar.